Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. I haven't really discussed tax that much here recently. We've been dealing a lot with immigration and there's been a lot of developments in immigration, but some things are coming down the pike that I think will probably have an impact on Americans living abroad. A recent article this is from Forbes, Forbes.com. Article is titled, "Under Biden Plan, the IRS would know a lot more about your bank accounts." And quoting directly, and they're talking about this American Families Plan, which has been proposed by the administration. It's a pretty massive spending bill, and then it poses the question, how's this going to be paid for? Quoting directly, by increasing IRS enforcement, by increasing reporting obligations for financial institutions, and by raising taxes on the wealthy. Each aspect of this plan is worthy of its own column. This column will focus what a senior administration official called one of the, quote, significant steps designed to make, quote, sure that taxpayers are paying the taxes they already owe, unquote, increased reporting obligations for financial institutions. So I think this is going to have a tremendous impact on not only folks in the United States, and presuming it passes as it currently in its current form, although I suspect it'll be in some similar form. The raw law is always kind of a weird thing when they first sort of push it through and it's sort of comes into the world. The raw law is always very difficult to read. It's actually kind of fun. I deal with some CPAs sometimes. Well, what I call fun. I deal with some CPAs sometimes, and we kind of go back and forth, sort of parsing through the raw law and the aftermath of one of these getting passed. That happened after the Trump tax thing, and I suspect probably we'll be doing a lot of that if and when this actually gets through. But long story short, the thing to take away from this video, be prepared that if and when this gets passed, if you're an American, especially an American abroad, and especially with banking in and outside the United States, there could be tremendous ramifications upon passage of this bill for Americans in that position.